another Fly High for Fun production. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hi guys, thanks for watching my video. Let's go ahead and get started by securing the wheel up high on a jack stand. Next thing we want to do is to connect the USB cable to the controller. Next, we'll connect the USB cable to the computer's USB port. First, we'll add the adapter to give it some length, and then we'll connect it to the computer. Next, let's head over to the device manager to find out what COM port our USB controller is using. In this case, it's COM 8. Next, we'll be downloading the Fardriver software. Now that we're here, we'll just go ahead and select all files and then extract them to a folder on our desktop. Since the file is zipped, I am using a utility called WinRAR to unzip the files. I will now drop those files inside a folder located on the desktop. Now let's go ahead and power up the controller. It is normal that when you power up the controller, you should hear the controller beeping 7 times continuous, and then it'll repeat itself. This is because the temperature sensor setting has been turned on in the software. During the time I made this video, Motor English 45.exe was the most current version of the software. Now let's open the software so I can show you how to turn off this annoying beeping sound. But before we take care of the sound, we need to make sure that our USB port is connected to the correct COM port. And it is. We can see down below at the bottom that the system is connected, and you'll see some received frames, the number counting upward. If you go to motor temp, that's where you're going to turn off the beeping. You should just set that to none. After you set that to none, your controller will go from 7 beeps down to 3 beeps. Let's go ahead and head over to Autolearn so we can sync the motor. At this point, it's now time for us to do the self-learning to program the motor. Now remember, during the Autolearn process, you have to hold the throttle wide open. You're going to keep the throttle wide open, and what you're going to see is this: the wheel will start spinning, and then it will slowly come to a stop. Shortly afterwards, the wheel will begin to spin backwards, and right after the wheel spin backwards, it will come to a stop. That's when the Autolearn process is complete, and you're ready. Your controller is ready to go. Alright, so most of your settings are on the parameter tab. So if you want to configure your max speed, your low speed, your voltage, pretty much everything is here under all these boxes. So take a quick look here. And this is where you set it up. I'm not going to go into full details on that just yet, but there will be more videos where I'll be going over those settings. Alright guys, so if you made it this far, then you got a chance to see me connect with the USB cord. Please like, rate, and subscribe.